Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Orchids and Me. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Ito po yung mga Vanda Orchids ko dito sa likod. Ito yung mga Vanda Seedlings ko. Ito naman yung mga bago kong biling Vanda Orchids. Ayan. Yung iba dito binili ko with flowers. Yung iba without flowers, pero mostly ay may flowers. Ito isa sa mga Vanda na namulaklak kaagad. Dalawang spike yun, no? Yung isa hindi ko na film, so ito yung second spike niya. Gusto mo i-share sa inyo. Ang ganda niya, kakaiba siya. Wala po itong fragrance. Pero meron po ako dito na dalawang magkapatid na Vanda. Same name from seeds but different flowers. Napakabango po nito. Let's compare them later. Naman ang mga sun-loving Vanda ko. Sa lahat sa kanila, ito ang namulaklak agad. May flower to nung binili ko. Tapos after 2 months, nag-bloom na siya kaagad. Natin malapitan yung flower niya. Malaki yung flower niya. Para siyang white na may greenish nung una. Matagal na kasi itong flower na to eh. Hindi ko na video agad. Ngayon para siyang pinkish na may green. Before sila nag-flower, nag-produce muna sila ng maraming malalaking roots. So meron dito, laki rin ng roots niya. And meron na siyang spike. Excited to share that with you. Then ito. Ito yung mga old roots. So nag-produce siya. Then meron na ng spike. Ito po yung magkapatid na Vanda. Same name po sila. Paxorn fragrance times Tessalata. Strong fragrant from seed hybrid. Same name. The tessellation is parang may guhit-guhit din siya. Brown. But the color is golden brown. Tapos parang meron pa siyang line around the petals, golden margin, and the lips, iba yung lips niya, oh. May parang may stripe pa. Ganda niya. On the other hand, this one, oh, darker gray, black. Yung tessellation niya, mas makikita natin mga box. And then the lips is darker and smaller compared to this other one. So yan po ang kanilang flowers. Same name from seed, hybrid, different flower color. Kaya tataka kayo bakit yung Vanda niyang isa paras lang kami pero iba yung bulaklak niya. So yan na po yung sagot. Even brothers and sisters, they don't look alike. Some got the color of the parent, the dad or the mom. Some are have darker complexion, and some are fair complexion. So same as the orchids. The petals slimmer. This one, petals look bigger. Parehas lang sila ay mabilis silang mag-rebloom. Smell are different too. Somewhat alike but different. This one has sweeter smell compared to this one. I can smell some jasmine, but I'm not sure. I cannot describe the smell, but I know they're different. The size of the plant is almost the same. So they came from same batch of seeds. Maybe their ages are the same. These flowers been here for maybe a month. They're glossy and firm, very firm, as if they're plastic, same as the other one. If you'll choose, will you choose this one or this other one? They have the same name but different flowers. I'll choose both. Even if I don't have space, I still buy bandas because I love them. Every morning I come here and water them, and they're so fragrant. I can smell them even 1 or 2 meters away. And they easily rebloom. I think after 2 months after I bought them, they bloomed again. Easy to care for.
So yun lamang po. Thank you for watching. Like po kayo, comment at subscribe. Hit nyo rin po yung notification bell para ma-inform kayo sa mga bagong videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next video.